Tim.
My name's Sapphire.
Together, we're starting our business of a workshop.
We're on his grandpa's property, located in Mountain Home, Texas. It is actually now his sister's property, and we are using her shed for our shop.
Fun fact, this used to be a goat milking barn that my grandfather used. Now, every now and then you may see a special guest appearance from my mini-me, Leonidas.
And our daughter, Isa. May not see much of her yet. She's only 4 months old, so she's mostly just sleeping and eating, but our monster will be around.
And every now and then you may see our kitty cat Cheese and our puppy dogs. They may not come over very much, but every now and then may introduce you.
You might see Cheese more because he'll probably be in the shop with us because he's kind of attached and likes to roam around.
And his name is Cheese because he whines a lot.
Yeah.
Together we're starting this. We pulled out our life savings and all the money that we could from my retirement from the Navy. I was in for 8 years, but like the young stupid person that I was, I didn't save very much. And that's how we're starting out. Almost all of it has gone to getting tools, a little bit of lumber, and trying to secure a spot for our workshop.
For now, we're just going to start with little projects like coasters and cutting boards. I'll do some welcome signs and holiday signs.
And in the next week or so, you'll see my next video will be me building my workbench, because right now, as you can see, we are on old desks. And while they work, they're not very ideal. Not a whole lot of clamping space, and for me that is 6'1", it gets tough bending over working on small things.
Me being 5'1", it's not that difficult, but
I still don't believe she's 5'1". I think she's like 4'4", but we'll talk about that later. So yeah, for right now, here's a good view of our shop. You can see it's not very big, and it's still a lot of organization to do. We got a lot of work to do. We're going to be building shelves, replacing older shelves that were left in here from who knows how long ago, and just getting it all together as we build products for amazing customers. And we hope that you'll join us in this journey. A lot of the tools we'll be using are a little bit more simpler. Obviously, we're not a professional workshop, so we ain't got the tens of thousands of dollars for every tool in the world. And we're just starting out. We don't have sponsors, anything like that. This is just a family starting a business, because me working a single job while she tries to take care of the children, it's not working out. When our daughter Isa was born, my previous job let me go because I didn't qualify for FMLA. We won't talk about that because we don't want negativity in our life. We've moved on. I do have another job, but we realized that relying on a big business to take care of us that we had no control over was not the way forward.
no, it's much easier and better for us to start our own little shop that we can hopefully move up the line with our little ones.
Exactly, and you'll see me teaching them, and maybe I'll teach you something, maybe y'all teach us something, because we're not going to say that we're experts by any means. Yes,
No.
we love working with this stuff, so knowledge shared is knowledge shared. It's a great way to go, help each other out. And of course, little man will be running around because, like I said, he's my mini-me. If I didn't see his birth, I would have thought I just spit him out.
Yeah, they're attached at the hip.
And he's a little bit crazy. So, they expect me to run off camera chasing after him at least once or twice in this series.
Definitely.
And as you can see behind my wife Sapphire here, we're already getting coasters going, testing out the different stands and stuff. You want to grab a couple of them? You can see she put some decorations in them. We're just trying a few small things, learning as we go. We made our own board butter for cutting boards, which we'll be making cutting boards in the next week or two. So that we'll learn how to make them. B, so you learn how to make them. C, to sell them, because we are hoping to run a successful business. So as we go along with these things, you'll see that some of the tools are quite old, some of them are newer. The older ones were passed down from my grandfather's father, ones that didn't get thrown away in what I like to call the purge of my brother and sister and myself, because they had a lot of junk and they were hoarders, so we threw out a lot of stuff. God loved them, God missed them, but a lot of stuff they kept was junk. So as we're going, you'll see us doing a lot of little projects, and
eventually we'd like to get up to some bigger stuff like river tables and actual furniture. Got a few ideas already.
Yeah, it's just starting out, so this is our journey, and welcome to TNS Custom Works.